A beginner's guide to T&TEC online. Master the art of energy saving with these quick and easy tips and tricks. Well, the most important benefit is to track and reduce your energy consumption. Once your account is set up, log in and start saving time and money. On your online account, go to the bill history. This gives you a historical view of your last 12 billing periods. You can now view and print your bills. Your consumption history provides a graphical look at your energy usage. This can help in understanding and reducing your bills monthly. The energy conservation offers historical data that shows how you did in your last bill. You can view bi-monthly your usage in kilowatts, your greenhouse gas footprint, and most importantly, the bill cost from highest to lowest, and even your current bill month. You can also view your daily usage and annual history for the past 2 years. Now, on to the most important cost-saving step. Did you know in 2022, the government instituted a 35% rebate on T&TEC bills, $300 or lower? What does this mean? Well, you can now set a consumption goal each month that allows you to stay below $300. You can enter this manually by entering $260 or 886 kilowatts, or move the slider on the left with the red dotted line. If you are unable to go less than $300, you can use this historical map to do better next month. Once your consumption goal is set, you will receive email notifications alerting you when you are at 50% or 90% of your consumption level. Subscribe, share, and comment for more IOV thinking videos.